A few weeks ago, OPPO Malaysia invited us to experience the OPPO Reno8 Pro at Gopeng Glamping. We also posted a sneak peek video about the design and camera spec. Here are some features of this phone that I like the most. In case you missed out on the sneak peek video, I would like to mention again this Reno8 Pro comes with a sleek design and two color choices, which are glazed green and glazed black. On the back, you can see a vintage binocular camera housing, a ring flash. Not to mention, it also a glass back, so if you are getting the black variant, you can treat it as a mirror. It also sports a Full HD 6.7-inch HDR10 Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Besides that, the camera has a dual Sony flagship sensor with a 32MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 50MP main camera, 8MP wide-angle lens and 2MP macro lens. And you know what? This phone sports a Marine Silicon X imaging NPU that will enhance the quality of the photos and video even in a low light setting. You can even record in 4K Ultra night video and 4K Ultra HDR night video. Although there is some noise in the video when I shoot it in a low light, I'm still satisfied with the result. In the meantime, I also try to snap videos and photos on my own device, but the OPPO Reno8 Pro can capture more details. You can get brighter results even in dark and low light environments. One more thing about the camera feature is the auto-focus smart selfie. But how smart is it? For example, the phone will auto-detect and shoot a group selfie if another person comes into the frame when I'm taking a selfie. But it will turn back to normal wide shots when you are alone in the frame. This means you can save the hassle of changing modes. As for the night selfie feature, the camera sensor will automatically detect the environment and allow me to take an ultra clear low light selfie. Here are some photos and video samples. Battery life, this OPPO Reno8 Pro is powered by a 4500mAh battery that supports 80W super volt. From my experience, the phone can be fully charged in a short time, and the battery didn't drain much even though I kept using it to take videos, snap photos, and watch YouTube videos. Watching video on this device was also satisfying because of the dual stereo speaker as it is loud yet crisp. Speaking of the tech spec, it's for a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max chipset, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage and run on the ColorOS 12.1 based on Android 12. When gaming, the device will not get hot because it comes with a super large area vapor chamber, which is 2.5 times larger and 1.5 times more cooling efficient. Overall, I would suggest this device to those who like to take photos and videos because of the superb camera. I'm really into the camera spec because of the Marine Silicon X imaging NPU because it makes my shot clear and bright. The only thing that I dislike about this device is that the body is too slim for me as it may slip from my palm. I guess it would be better if I use a phone cover. So would you get this for yourself or a loved one? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and goodbye. Bye!